Hi everyone, welcome to SKLEARNING. Let's solve a DP-700 Microsoft Fabric question. You need to copy data from an on-prem SQL server to a warehouse. What should you use? Options are Dataflow Gen1, Data Pipeline, KQL Queryset, or Notebook. Since the data is coming from on-premises, we need a solution that supports integration via gateway and handles ETL or ELT processes. The correct answer is Data Pipeline. Data Pipeline is designed for data movement and transformation, supports on-prem sources using gateway, and is scalable for production workloads. Dataflow Gen1 is limited in capabilities. Notebook requires manual coding. KQL Queryset is not used for data ingestion. So remember, for data movement from on-prem to Fabric forward arrow, always think data pipeline. If you learned something new today, like the video, share it with your developer friends, and subscribe to SKLEARNING for more smart learning. Happy coding!